Namaste and hello, very warm welcome to Kulekhani. I am Basanta Shrestha. I am a Nepali tourist guide by profession here in Nepal. Indrasarowar is commonly known as Kulekhani, which is situated in Makanpur district in Bagmati province, Nepal. It is a hydroelectricity dam. It is famous for hiking, camping, picnicking, landscape, natural beauty, and Kulekhani is popular for boating and fishing. In the background, you can see the natural beauty of Kulekhani. How amazing this is! So, if you are a nature lover, do visit Kulekhani once in a life, because this natural beauty, it gives you everything in your daily life. What I mean to say, if you are close to nature, you get something special from Kulekhani. That's the natural beauty of Kulekhani. Experience the natural beauty of Kulekhani. Thanks for watching. Namaste.